As far as Guy GH here, Forever and Profits. So we are back again with our weekly breakdown and analysis, right? So typically I'll be talking about gold for the week, which is the second week, that is trading week for March, right? So already when you look at the candlesticks, like on the monthly charts, you can see how gold has been bullish over the years since, like, let's say 2024, so day 2026, right? So we have some strong trend to the upside. So bulls are still in control. So what I always say is that we trade with a trend. So we look for opportunities that supports more of buying, right? You can find selling opportunities, but I did be looking for opportunities that supports buying. Okay, so switching to the weekly time frame. So now on the weekly time frame, we can also see or indicate that uh trading has been bullish as well. You can see more buying. But apart from the fact that we had a rejection from the all-time highs around almost 5,600 dollars for gold, right? We had a sharp decline, then price dropped a bit to this other block here. Then we had a push to the upside. Okay, so currently last week, that is the first week in March, we had a bearish kind of closure here. All right, but that doesn't mean that the trend has changed. We need to see certain things that will confirm a change in the trend of the market. We need to see structure being broken on the higher time frames, right? So if the weekly structure breaks a previous low, so this low here will be a significant low that when it gets broken, we can see that, okay, likely we're gonna have selling trend coming, in the next weeks. I hope you get it. Right. So now we are still very much bullish on gold. So let's quickly go to the daily time frame as well. So in daily time frame last week we had a bit of choppy price. We had a bearish drop. Then we had price consolidating for the latter part of the week, which is from Wednesday to like Friday when NFP was released. Okay. We did catch some moves. I shared some of the moves with my Telegram channel. You can check the link in the description to join the channel for free, and also there is a link in the description for recommended broker as well. Okay, so getting back to the chart. So now what we are seeing here is I've already marked out some parts of the chart, right? But then we have this old high here, which is the all-time high that gold got to, which is likely to be what attempted again, right? With the ongoing war uh, around, we are likely to see more investors and financial institutions putting their money into the safe haven of gold, because gold is like a hedge for most investors. Okay, so we will likely see more buying pressure to the upside coming this week as well. So what we'll be looking for with my community is that we'll be looking at buying opportunities day in and day out. We look for buying opportunities whereby I'll be sharing setups with them. So make sure you tap on the link in the description to join the community for absolutely free. And also, if you've not subscribed to this channel to support me, make sure you hit on the subscribe button and then like this video as well. Thank you. So going to the lower time frame, we have the 4-hour charts looking very solid. Last week, this low here was held. Price couldn't break it to take out liquidity. So we are likely gonna see a weak opening with a price gap. We are likely to see a gap to the upside where market will push up, right? Just a moment where market is likely to push up, retest the zone, and then come for this high over here. So coming week, I'm looking at 5,400 level for gold to be tapped in. All right. So let's see how on this time frame it plays out. So we are likely gonna see the price gap or a push to the upside, a retracement, and then another impulse move to the upside. So these are the levels that I'm looking at on gold. So this 5,400 round figure level, that is what I'm looking at. Unless market breaks this lows here, right? So second scenario, if market should break the low here, I'll wait for a retouch, then a push to the upside as well. So this what I'll be looking out for gold, and then I'll be sharing everything with my community for absolutely free. So make sure you tap in the link in the description to join the channel for absolutely free. Make sure you leave a comment, ask questions, and then thank you so much for joining today.